Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix messenger edit message feature not showing problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your messenger app, and let me go ahead open up my messenger app right over there. Once I do that, this is how the interface gonna open up. Now I'm simply gonna go ahead open up a message. And if I tap on the sent message, I will have the section of reply, copy, answer, and more. If I tap on more, I will have this kind of options. Now let me send a message, and if once I have sent, if I tapped on it, I will find this option of edit. Now I can just edit it according to my need, and it's delivered. Now, for example, if you're not being able to see that particular message, that particular edit message option, you gotta go ahead, open up your app store. Now go to search bar and simply search in Messenger and check if your app needs an update or not. If it needs an update, it will show this kind of update. You can see here in the Google update. If it does not, then it will show you open. Since it's up to date, that's why I have all of the available up-to-date features available on my Messenger. I can tap on open and use it however I like, and can edit my message whenever I want. Likewise, and I'm good to go. Once you're done, it will also show this edited tags or the person, so you can know if you have edited it already or not. And that is basically it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.